He sits all unstill and totally numb. The puzzle man rather forcedly does, because in his incessant hands is clutched his nemesis, a 3D conundrum. He really likes to be the brain teaser, feeling its inner mysteries teeter by fingering its triangled seam curves, sometimes even twists some hasty turns. He simply cannot keep his hands off it. It's so alluring with its damn calling. It's his precious. His demand wrought ring, and since first sight it's been his brand of thrill. See, the man needs a lot of stimulation, and he knows where to find that inspiration, exploring between its riddled brain bends. Good thing he has unlimited patience. Someday the puzzle will reveal itself, unslave its gullible prisoner out from making wrung fingers overwork it. Always mixed up and crossed by its logic, it actually is empowered, though, in that its use acknowledges its presence. Things have to be manipulated with infatuation in order to become well known. The box just needs manual adjustments, because the layers, unseen by others, feeds off the effort the quest takes seekers. It seems odd, but buried treasure requires higher sea. The box just revels in its abuse, reason enough to tempt with its labyrinths this weakened man into frisking its solutions. Evil Cenobite, she tortures hired hands.